Susan Gray. You sure you're in the right place?
I have reflux, acid reflux, and the hiccups come and go when it gets really bad. They've stopped a few times, but lately it's been getting worse.
Have you had chlorpromazine? Here you go. Thank you.
Isn't that the crazy person's drug?
It's used as an antipsychotic, but it's also helpful with hiccups. If we don't stop these soon, you will be a crazy person.
Ah.
Okay.
Hey, how is Meredith doing? I know they have that big intern exam coming up, and she's been really busy. Tried to call, but... Hey, no hiccups.
Chlorpromazine.